Here's what I learned replacing the Badger 5 with the Badger 500 disposal. When you rotate this thing off, you gotta disconnect the clamp for the dishwasher and your discharge tube, which is easy enough. And then you use the supplied wrench. You can easily rotate this off. It's a little heavy, so catch it. And have a bucket below. And however you have this wired, make sure you shut off your electricity and disconnect everything. Once you have everything reconnected to the new unit, you'll have underneath the connections. The little clamp I reused off of this and the wire nuts because everything looked fine. This one is shot, it's a few years old, but it did the trick. So just gotta levitate the new one, connect everything, use the wrench to put it back in place, reclamp everything. Just make sure you don't learn the hard way that when you open this up, there's a little ring that goes in there for you to put the discharge tube on. Make sure that is in place. Make sure everything is locked in hand tight. Make sure your other discharge for the dishwasher is in the right place. Test everything. And also inside of here, which is a few years old now, when you knock this out, there'll be a little plastic disc that's going to come with it. Take that with you. Do not leave it in there. And also, while I was down here, I had a spare light switch and cover. Decided to reuse the screws because no one's really going to see this. It looks like whoever did this originally, at least for the box perspective, looked fine. The wiring is janky at best, so it looks like someone prepped for the homeowner just to finish up the project. Anytime you're looking at something like this, whether you're the homeowner or whatever, just double check everything. It starts leaking, do yourself a favor. These are not that expensive. Just go ahead, replace it, test it, and when you do test it, run some water through it and run it for at least 30 seconds or so. Double check your work. You don't want to go too tight, just hand tight with everything and it should be fine. These things do last for quite some time. But also when you're done, just to say the local scrap people's got to be one somewhere in your hood, they will take these. And this still has a value. So please, scrap disposal. Thanks.